Expand your world with mBot Ranger, the transformable 3-in-1 robot kit you can build your way. Conquer undiscovered territories with Land Raider. Use the digital controls to avoid obstacles. Go, Land Raider! Turbocharge through any terrain. No turf is tough enough to stand up to Land Raider. The transformable mBot Ranger 3-in-1 robot kit is constructed from interstellar materials so powerful it's out of this world! Build your mBot Ranger in a flash. With a construction time around 20 minutes, you'll be out exploring in no time. Awesome! Transform your Land Raider easily, turning it into the fastest bot around, Dashing Raptor. Watch Dashing Raptor as it chases anything at the speed of light. Dashing Raptor will obey commands, a trusty companion for any adventure. Quickly transform once more to complete the mission with Nervous Bird. Nervous Bird never takes a fall, fiercely balancing itself and standing up to the strongest foes. Excellent! The highly advanced but simple-to-use Makeblock Programming app engineers your mBot Ranger kit for the most intelligent, high-speed superbot in the universe! With a powerful mainboard that provides 5 onboard sensors and 10 extension ports, mBot Ranger is a perfect tool for teachers. Kick up classroom energy and teach entry-level programming at the same time. Unlock the key to a world of undiscovered territory and feel the power at your fingertips with the transformable mBot Ranger 3-in-1 robot kit. With unimaginable capabilities, mBot Ranger is the perfect companion for at-home play or venturing out anywhere that new trend lies.